You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The annual budget is also an opportunity for the government to outline its priorities for the year to come. The priority of our government is clearly to provide additional resources for vulnerable sections, rural areas, and social and physical infrastructure creation. The government shall also endeavour to continue with the ongoing reform program and ensure the passage for the constitutional amendments to enable the implementation of goods and services tax, the passage of insolvency and bankruptcy law, and other important reform measures which are pending before the Parliament. Additionally, as I will detail later, we will undertake significant reforms such as the enactment of a law to ensure that all government benefits are conferred upon persons who deserve it by giving a statutory backing to the Aadhaar platform, bringing significant changes in the legislative framework relating to transport sector so as to free it from constraints and restrictions, incentivizing gas discovery and exploration by providing calibrated marketing freedom, enactment of a comprehensive law to deal with resolution of financial firms, providing legal framework for dispute resolution in PPP projects and public utility contracts, undertaking important banking sector reforms and public listing of general insurance companies, and undertaking significant changes in FDI policy. Our agenda for the next year is therefore to transform India in this direction. My budget proposals are therefore built on this transformative agenda with 9 distinct pillars. Let me first take up agriculture and farmers' welfare. We are grateful to our farmers for being the backbone of the country's food security. We need to think beyond food security and give back to our farmers a sense of income security. Government will therefore reorient its intervention in the farm and non-farm sector to double the income of the farmer by 2020. Our total allocation for agriculture and farmers' welfare is rupees 36,000 crore. We need to address issues of optimal utilization of our water resources, create new infrastructure for irrigation, conserve soil fertility with balanced use of fertilizer, and provide value addition and connectivity from farm to markets. Irrigation is a critical input for increasing agricultural production and productivity. Out of 141 million hectares of net cultivated area in the country, only 46% is covered with irrigation. The Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana has been strengthened and will be implemented in mission mode. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.